Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making Dan Mian, or Dan Noodles in English. It's minced braised pork butt with chili oil, cilantro, green onions. Basically, they're noodles with pork butt. Alright, let's begin. Take the pork butt and you chop it up into finer pieces and you boil it for about 5 minutes. The rest of our ingredients include shallots. We have about 5 or 6 here, and all of our Asian sauces. I'll link those below at the bottom for you guys. We're also going to add some brown candy pieces in our meat along with some 5 spice, and we just use 1 packet here. I got this in the grocery store. It's already individually packaged, but we're gonna just use 1 of these packages from this. First, we're gonna heat up our pan, guys. Then you're gonna add the pork butt into the pan. So when you're stirring it, you can see all of that liquid. You're gonna keep stirring for another 5 to 10 minutes until all of the liquid has gone away. You're gonna add some rice wine, about 2 tablespoons. All right, now that we see that the meat is browning, we can go ahead and add our shallots. Now we can cook the shallots for another 5 minutes or so. Okay, let's go ahead and add our rock sugar in here. Add 2 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce. One tablespoon of the soy sauce for seafood. We have transferred pots just so it's easier to boil. The other one is easier to stir fry in. And now we're gonna add our 5 spice. After it boils, go ahead and set the heat down to low, and you're gonna simmer it for 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, so this is after 10 minutes. You can clearly see that the water has evaporated a little bit, and I'm just gonna stir it a little bit before we cover the pot again. So here's some fresh ingredients. You guys don't have to all use this, but the basis of the Dan mian typically usually has cilantro, green onion, and cucumber here. And then you add the chili oil. We just added some egg. You can do it however you'd like, but the egg is an added option for you guys. So this is the noodles that we will be cooking the meat with. Brand is actually called Wu Mu, and they're Taiwanese noodles, as you can tell by the island product of Taiwan. So they come in 3 different sizes. This is the medium one here, but we're gonna actually cook the smaller one, and we have, sorry, I threw out the packaging already, but this, can you tell the thickness difference? This is thin and this is the middle. Alright guys, so we're gonna boil 1 pot of water here. So now we can add our cucumbers, our egg, cilantro, more cilantro, and some green onions. Alright guys, now you have all of your elements here. Cucumber, there's some shredded egg here, chili, cilantro, some fried shallots, and green onion. Let's mix all of this up, guys. Ooh. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, obviously. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, because you'll get weekly videos on food. Me eating food, me cooking food, me eating food again. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week.